personality, half man, half lion, came and sat on my chest. And he was opening his nails and he started scolding me. How dare you stop my Sankirtana movement? I have incarnated to finish all you people. Next time if you stop, I will wipe out you, your family and all your associates from this world. When he gave that warning, Chandakaji was shivering and shaking. So Chandakaji, so he is very much negative of Hindu and our traditions. He wanted to oppress and he wanted to convert everybody to his religion. One day when he was passing on the road, when he heard melodious kirtan coming out of the house of Srivas Thakur, he went inside and he became very enraged. The devotees were happily chanting and dancing. He went to one devotee, grabbed his mridanga, threw it on the floor, broke it into pieces, and he gave a stern warning. From today, if you are anybody of you are engaged in public chanting and hearing, all your properties will be confiscated and you will be put into jail. He went away to his place. The details were communicated to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very angry. He said, all of you accumulate so many people, in the evening let us light a torch and let us do civil disobedience. The moment decrying the order of Kaji, we will see what he will do. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was chanting and dancing in ecstasy and everybody started following him. There were different groups. Advaita Acharya was leading one group, Vidas Thakura was another group, Srivas Pandit was another group. Each group was fortified by 4 mridanga players, 16 kartala players, expert kirtana and one ecstatic dancer, followed by thousands of men. These were the main core team. They all started from different directions and they started converging towards the house of Chandakaji. So Chandakaji was hearing some sound. So he asked his people to go and check what is this sound. When they went and saw, there was a huge number, some around thousands and lakhs of people were there on the roads with the torches and everybody are coming marching towards the house of Chandakaji. They became afraid. They started running away. They came to Chandakaji and said, see, yesterday you gave an order, now thousands of people have come to kill you and your entire house and they will demolish, run away from here. So all the assistants and all, they ran away. Chandakaji went inside his house. In one corner, in one shelf or something like that, he went and hid himself. The chanting was becoming more and more as the closer they were coming to the house. So when they came near, Radha Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was saying, mischief monger Chandakaji, who tried to stop my Sankirtan movement. I have incarnated to propagate the congregational chanting of the holy name, and I am personally present whenever my devotees ecstatically chant my holy name. How dare he break the mridanga that accompanies my Sankirtana? How dare he obstruct what I have inaugurated to redeem the world? Now break down the doors and bring that rascal to me without delay. Destroy anyone who stands in your way. Lord was ordering like that, and devotees, just one instruction from the Lord, they are ready to break open the door, put the entire building down, bring that Chandakaji. And whoever is come in between, they wanted to smash them. Then all the other devotees, they tried to pacify the Lord. So when Brahma had offended you by taking away your cowherd boys, you did not scold him. When Indra caused so much torture to your associates by pouring rain for 7 days, you did not say one word. Now you are becoming so angry. This is not correct for you. Please restrain yourself and be in a calm way. Let us handle the situation. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu calmed down. By the way the devotees have addressed him, he became very happy. And he said, okay, some respectable gentleman, go call him. We will discuss. And they made him sit. Then Chandakaji said, in Gramya Vyavahara, Nilambar Chakravarti is like an uncle. He is like my father, like your mother is like my sister. So to say you are my nephew, so will a nephew become angry on your uncle's work? No, when a nephew is coming to your home, why are you coming? Why are you hiding inside? It is the uncle's duty to come and receive him also, no? Come, I have some inquiries I wanted to clarify from you. Yeah, please ask whatever you want. Drink milk of cow, and cow is your mother. Helps us in grains. He's like the father. And you drink their milk and the food grains produced by them, and you kill them also and eat. Which dharma is this? These sinful activities. The Muslim magistrate, he have come to our house and destroyed Mridanga and stopped Sankirtana. But today we all came, but you did not stop. Is there any specific reason? Yesterday, after destroying the Mridanga, I came home and I slept. That night, I had a dream in which a huge personality, half man, half lion, came and sat on my chest. Lord was warning him. So Chandrikaji was shivering and crying, so he became very compassionate. Since you have not done too much damage, I will be merciful upon you. From now onwards, if you do any of these instructions, I will wipe out your people entirely from the surface of the globe. And because the Lord was holding on to the chest and instructing like this, that marks of lion nails were there on his body. So he opened his body and showed to him the lion marks that which had cut on his body with the nails and all. Then everybody could understand that Narasimha had come and given him an opportunity to have his darshan and gave his mercy upon Chandra. In that way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very happy, and he gave an instruction: from today, neither me nor any of my descendants will ever obstruct Sankirtana moment. If they obstruct, they will be disassociated from my family. And he became a follower, and he was engaging in the Sankirtan party from then onwards as associate of Lord Chaitanya. So in that way, these apparent contradictions, unless Lord clarified, so it is very difficult for us to understand. So through devotees' perception, we will be able to know these apparent contradictions, so that this will increase our interest towards the Lord, and we become more and more devoted to the Lord by these things.
So the civil disobedience movement was started by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for a good cause, to take part in this movement of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for the benefit of the world. Let them cooperate. It doesn't matter whether he is Hindu, Muslim. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is for everyone. He is Indian, he is African, he is Brahmin, he is Kshatriya. Why? Because they have taken to Krishna consciousness. So this movement is so important that everyone from every part of the world, they should take part in this movement, and there will be peace in the world.
Yamukva muchyate yogi janma samsara bandhana